this is Nature Fabric Printers. Today we are going to introduce another business we can make profits and benefits and some money with our UV printers. This is a Jigsaw versus printed. The Jigsaws come in different sizes and can be made from different materials. For example, this one is the wood material, and this is the cardboard material. And maybe you can find some different materials from the market. Jigsaw special printing is a good and fun way for you to showcase and promote your artworks. If you are an artist or a photographer, you can also do some specials and nice printings for your friend or your family. The most important is there's many benefits to sell the customized Jigsaw specials online. You can get the extra money when you're selling them. You can also create a steady stream in some selling your products in the social media platform. For example, the eBay and Facebook, and Amazon, or the Instagram, and many others social media platforms. Okay, we can find different size brand Jigsaw specials from the market. Of course, it might only around few dollars. Of course, different size we have different price, but it will not too much. After printing, you can sell them around 10 plus, 20 plus, or 30 plus dollars, so you can image how much benefit, how many percentage benefit we can earn from this printing business. So that's a great printing business with the UV printers. Okay, look at here. We already put the brand Jigsaw specials on a tray. The size is around 52 by 28. Max printing size for this machine is 40 by 60. So we can load the complete boxes on a tray. Then arrange the positions. Then we can go start the printing from the software. You can see the trays will go back, and then the printing will start. Okay, we can see the printing is starting out. Make a close shot. Check the print quality. Okay, we can take a look on the printing. Colors look beautiful. Laying already dried at once. So after the printing finish, you can get a nice Jigsaw special. You can do the printing on the Jigsaw specials with your photos or your customer's photos. Or your friend's photos, then will be a nice gift or a nice product for your business. Okay, we can see the printing is close to be finished. Once the printing is finished, we can see you made a great job of the puzzles. Jigsaw puzzles. It is so nice and beautiful photos printing on the jigsaw puzzles. So we can see it. You can print any photos and designs and make our business or make it as a gift to our friends or our families. So all can be done by our UV printers. And one question is, how much do you think this one will cost? And how much do you think you can sell these puzzles? Welcome to leave your comments.